In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use AI to write emails in Mailchimp. To begin, open Mailchimp and log into your account. Use your normal sign-in method and make sure you are entering your own account details privately. If your browser has saved your login information, you may be taken directly into the Mailchimp dashboard. If not, complete the login process first. Then wait for the main account area to load. This is where you will access your campaigns and begin working with the email content you want to improve using AI. Once you are inside your Mailchimp account, open the email campaign that you want to edit. You may already have a draft campaign prepared, or you may be returning to a campaign that needs some wording changes before it is sent. From the campaign area, select the email you want to work on and open it in the campaign builder. The builder is the editing screen where you can see your email layout, including text sections, headings, buttons, and other content blocks. Give the page a moment to fully load so all of the editing tools appear correctly. Now that you are in the email builder, look over the email and decide which part of the message you want AI to help with. Mailchimp can assist with different text-based sections, so focus on a paragraph block, a heading block, or a button block. These are the areas where the wording can usually be written, adjusted, shortened, or polished. Click directly on the block you want to edit. When you select it, the editing options for that specific block should appear on the screen. After selecting the paragraph, heading, or button block, look for the option labeled Write with AI. This option is used when you want Mailchimp to help create text for that block. If the block already has text inside it, you may instead see an option labeled Edit with AI. That option is used when you want to improve or revise existing text rather than starting from a blank area. Click the AI option that appears for the block you are working on. This is the point where Mailchimp will give you AI-powered writing tools that are designed to help with the content in that section. Next, choose the command that best matches what you want to do with the text. For example, you may choose Shorten if the writing feels too long and you want a more direct version. You may choose Change Tone if the message needs to sound more friendly, professional, casual, or polished. You may also choose Fix Spelling if you want Mailchimp to clean up spelling issues and make the text look more accurate. Select the command that fits your goal for that specific block. This helps the AI understand the type of edit you want before it generates the new version. Once you choose a command, Mailchimp will generate updated text for you to review. Take a moment to read through the result carefully. Make sure the meaning still matches your email, your brand, and the message you want your audience to receive. AI can be helpful for improving clarity and tone, but it is always a good idea to review the final wording before using it. Check that the text sounds natural, that it fits the section you selected, and that it does not change the intent of your message. When you are happy with the generated text, click Apply to save the changes to that block. This will place the AI-generated version into your email campaign. After it is applied, you can continue reviewing the rest of your email and repeat the same process on other paragraph, heading, or button blocks if needed. This makes it easier to refine your campaign piece by piece while keeping control over the final message. That covers everything you need to know. You have logged into Mailchimp, opened your email campaign in the builder, selected a text block, used Write with AI or Edit with AI, chosen an editing command, reviewed the generated text, and applied the changes. And that is all there is to it.